Hi, I'm William Tenwilder, and I welcome you to my Viva Las Vegas Strip speed run. And this is a great dynamic game. If we take a zoom out and just view around the board, we can see the potential here is quite interesting. We have accumulated a good position and piece position, and look at that pawn racing up the board. So that's exciting stuff. Exciting. So we're on check. We are playing 960 chess. Yeah, otherwise you will hear the name Random Fisher or Freestyle. And quick note, the Grandmasters and Masters, when they play the freestyle tournaments, they get a full 15 minutes to see the random order before they play the game. Now, out in the online world, it is just, take a look and have a strategy. And that is like Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's a secret formula.